Hello students, today I am reading next topic, important places in the neighborhood. Means the places which is important to us near our neighborhood. A neighborhood has places that provide services to us. We do not have to go far away to do things. Some of the important places in the neighborhood could be, means we should have the places which is important for us, है ना. First is school. A neighborhood has a school and some also have college. They are useful for children living in the neighborhood. Means school should be there in our neighborhood, because if it will not have, the children will have to go far away, है ना. So it should have, school should have near our neighborhood. Second is market. It is very important. A neighborhood has a market. You can buy items that you need every day from the market. Fresh fruits and vegetables, groceries and stationery items are available there. Means a market should be there near your neighborhood. You can buy items, है ना. In everyday life you need many things like fresh fruits, vegetables, groceries, stationery, है ना. So it should be there near your house. Third is hospital. Hospital should be there. Very important. Hospitals or nursing homes are present in every neighborhood. Doctors and nurses cure the people who are ill and provide medication and intensive care. Hospitals और nursing home are present in हर neighborhood में. Hospitals और nursing are present in every neighborhood. Doctor and nurses cure the people who are ill. जो बीमार हैं वो क्या करते हैं, उनको क्योर करते हैं. And provide medication and intensive care. So it should be there. Next is post office. Every neighborhood has a post office that make it easy to send and receive letters and courier. Post office should be there. Now next, police station. At least one police station is present in every neighborhood. It helps to maintain the security of the people living there. We must respect the police for their courage and dedication. Means in your neighborhood one police station should be there, है ना, because it is a safety purpose, है ना, or your security or safety purpose. So police station also be there. So see, important places, once we will again recall this. School should be there, market, hospital, post office, and what should be there, police station. It's very important for your safety or security. Now next is places of worship. Places of worship. What did you understand by places of worship, children? Most neighborhood have places of worship. अधिकतर जो हमारे neighborhood है वहाँ पर क्या रहती हैं, places of worship. Means wherever you go to worship, है ना. Mosque, Gurudwara, temple, wherever you go, it should be there. We go there with our family to pray. Most places of worship have a priest. In each and every places of worship you will see a priest will be there. Wherever you go, if you go mosque or temple or gurudwara or church, priest will be there. A priest is a person who help you to pray. A lot of people also serve, provide seva at their respective places of worship. Means one priest will be there who will be taking care of that place. India is a country with people following different religion. India एक ऐसी country है जहाँ पर we will have a different religion. Every religion has different place of worship. और हर religion की अलग अलग places of worship है. Means Hindus will go to temple, Muslim will go to mosque, Sikh will go to Gurudwara, and Christian will go to churches. God is only one, but we go at different places for worship. all religion are equal. We must respect all religion because God is only one. That is why we have two hands, two eyes, one nose, है ना, because God is only one, but places are different to worship. See, temple, it is the place of worship for people who follow Hinduism. Those who follow Hinduism means if your caste is Hindu, where you will go? Temple, है ना. What I told you children, God is only one but places are different, है ना, groups are different. So those who follow Hinduism, they will go to temple. It is the place of worship for people who follow Islam. Those who are Muslim, where they will go? They will go to mosque. Church, it is the place of worship for people who follow Christianity, means those who are Christian, they will go to church. And next, it is the place of worship for people who follow Sikhism. Those who are Sikh, they will go to Gurudwara. Means God is only one but places are different to pray. So next is, I hope you have understood places of worship. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Isai. I hope you have understood this. Means wherever they go, they are having different place: temple, mosque, church and Gurudwara. Now next is landmark. Landmark. What did you understand by landmark? Landmark means that is a place which is famous, which is very famous or near to your house. This is called landmark. So let's see it. A landmark is a famous place close to your house that helps to find the location of your place. Landmark is a place which is near to your house and helps to find the location of your place. Means if any guest or friends are coming to your house or they are not able to find your house, so what will you tell? You will tell my house is there near fountain or near that mosque or near that temple, famous temple or famous mosque or famous place which is near to your house, है ना. That is called your landmark, है ना. That is called landmark. When someone comes to your house for the first time, you guide them with a landmark near your house. This make it easier for them to locate your house. So it will be very easy to the person who is a stranger and don't know your house. So it will be easy to his or her to come to your home. See, you can see one boy and one girl is there. See this example. This boy is saying the landmark for my house is the fountain next to it. कहाँ पे इसका घर? फाउंटेन के बाजू में. The girl is saying the landmark for my house is the lake in front of it. Lake के सामने. So the important places in the neighborhood also act as landmark. So children, I hope you all have understood this. Now let's recall once. A neighborhood has many important places. These places make it easy to live at the specific location. Second, school, market, hospital, post offices and police station are located in the neighborhood. Third point, there are places of worship in our neighborhood. Fourth, Hindus praise in a temple, Muslim in a mosque, Sikh in a Gurudwara and Christian in a church. Last point, a landmark is a place that is known to people and which help us to locate people near it easily. So children, I hope you all have understood this lesson, which is our neighborhood. Thank you.